Students, what we did yesterday, do you remember?
Examples.
Example. Second example we have solved. Is it or not? I think first we have completed full scale output. Now output due to LSB. That is what we were discussing, isn't it? Have you calculated? Have you calculated it?
Yes, ma'am.
How much it comes out?
1.428.
1.428. Right, right. Whether everybody has got that answer? Whether everybody has got that answer? Tell me fast. If you have doubt, I will solve here. Shall I solve? Yes. मुलांना बोला. सॉल्व करायची गरज आहे का त्याची? अरे बोला पटकन. असेल तर करूया, नसेल तर पुढे जाऊया. सांगा कोण कोण आहे? अथर्व, तेजस, मयूर. हा
दाखवा मॅम सॉल्व करू.
बर. आता फॉर्म्युला, व्हॉट वॉज द फॉर्म्युला फॉर 3 bit DAC? It was VA is equal to V0 into 2 raised to 0 plus V1 into 2 raised to 1 plus V2 into 2 raised to 2 divided by 2 raised to 3 minus 1. 2 raised to 3 minus 1. So this is what is the formula for 3-bit digital to analog converter, which is binary weighted digital to analog converter. Okay. Now, what we want to find out? We want to find out output due to one LSB. Okay. So let us call it as VA LSB. Output due to one LSB. And in order to find output due to one LSB, only an LSB bit should be 1. So this is our LSB bit. And this is our MSB bit. So only LSB bit should be 1 and all remaining bits should be 0. So that is what we have to do. That means this will be 1, this will be 0, and this will be 0. Okay. So this is your 1 LSB value. Now substitute these values. Okay. So what is the reference voltage? Reference voltage is 10 volt. Okay. And as this LSB is 1, VO will be equal to 10 volt. So this 10 multiplied by 2 raised to 0 plus, as this is 0, V1 will be 0, 0 into 2 raised to 1 plus again V2 is also 0 because this digit is 0. So this will be 0 into 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 2, and this whole divided by 2 raised to 3 is 8. 8 minus 1. Okay. So if you simplify this, what you will get? 2 raised to 0 is 1. 1 into 10 is 10. Okay. 0 into 2 raised to 1 is 0. 0 into 2 raised to 2 is also 0. And this divided by 7. Okay. So this will be 10 by 7. 10 by 7. And if you calculate this on calculator, you will get the value which is equal to 1.428. It will be 1.428 volt. It will be 1.428 volt. ओके, आता हे समजले का सगळ्यांना? बोला पटकन. स्क्रीनशॉट घ्या याचा. घेतला? घेतला का? हा, पुढे जाऊ आपण आता. ओके, सो let us go to next point. So the next point that we are going to study is R to R ladder digital to analog converter. So this R to R ladder digital to analog converter is as shown in this diagram. So this is a 4-bit R to R ladder. So how many bits are there? 4 bits. Okay. And here you can observe that all these 4, V1, V2, V3, V4, these are inputs. What are these? These are inputs. Okay. And you will get output between this point and ground point. And this is what is your analog output. Analog output. So this is analog output, and we have indicated this by VO. Now, if you think of binary weighted network digital to analog converter, and if you observe this R to R ladder network digital to analog converter, what difference you can make out between these two? Can anybody tell me? Yes? Yes, tell me what is the difference? What is the main difference that you can observe here? You have already studied binary weighted DAC, and now you are observing R to R ladder DAC. So what is the difference between these two circuits? See, I will show you. See, this is your 4-bit binary weighted resistor DAC, and this is your R to R ladder DAC. What is difference between those two? Can you observe any difference, or both are same? Yes, tell me. मुलांनो बोलत जा ना. बोलत का नाही रे तुम्ही? कोण कोण आहेत? सगळे कुणीतरी बोललं पाहिजे. बोला. काय फरकच दिसत नाहीये का तुम्हाला? In case of binary weighted digital to analog converter, what you can observe is, what you can observe? What you can observe here? The resistors are of different values, R, 2R, 4R, 8R. But if you see the circuit diagram of R to R ladder DAC, there are resistors, but these resistors are only of two values. One is R and another is 2R. Okay, this is the main difference between the binary weighted digital to analog converter and R to R ladder digital to analog converter. Okay, even though we are using only two resistors, the output voltage produced by this type of digital to analog converter is a weighted sum of corresponding digital inputs. Okay, now let us see what is the formula for analog output voltage. What is the formula for analog output voltage here? And it is very similar to binary weighted, but the only difference is that in the denominator, in case of binary weighted, there was 2 raised to n minus 1. But here in this case, there is only 2 raised to n, okay, where n is the number of input bits. Okay, so you can observe here formula as VO into 2 raised to 0 plus V1 into 2 raised to 1 plus V2 into 2 raised to 2 plus dot 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 plus Vn minus 1 into 2 raised to n minus 1, and this whole divided by 2 raised to n. So this is what is the formula for output, analog output voltage of R2R ladder network, and obviously this is a LSB. Okay, you should be careful while solving the examples because this is LSB and this is MSB, most significant bit of your digital to analog converter. Okay, so there are some important points, those should be remembered about this type of converter, and those points are the total resistance looking from any node. Any node means what? Here you can observe there are how many nodes? 4 nodes. In case of 4-bit R2R ladder digital to analog converter, there are 4 nodes, N1, N2, N3, N4. So if you measure the resistance at N4, it will have value 2R. If you measure resistance at N3, it will have value 2R. Here also 2R. Here also 2R. That means at every node, the value of the resistance is same, and that is equal to 2 times R. Okay, and this is the advantage of the to R ladder digital to analog converter. Okay, the second advantage of it is only 2 values of resistors are used, and therefore it is simple for construction. Obtaining only 2 accurate values of resistors is easy rather than obtaining number of resistors of accurate value. Okay, then the third thing that you have to remember, which already I have told you, the digital input is a transformed into or converted into a properly weighted binary output. Okay, just like we convert binary to decimal, in that way only this type of digital to analog converter, it is going to produce the weighted sum and it will generate the analog output accordingly. Okay, and always in case of binary weighted digital to analog converter, the maximum output voltage is the reference voltage. But in this case, the maximum analog output voltage is always less than 1 LSB. It is not the reference voltage. It is not equal to reference voltage, but it is 1 LSB less than your maximum analog voltage. That is V reference value. Okay, so only these 4 points you have to remember about R2R ladder network digital to analog converter. Okay, so from examination point of view, you should be able to draw the circuit diagram of R2R ladder network digital to analog converter, which may be of 3 bits, which may be of 4 bits, or which may be of 5 bits. So all these 3 diagrams you should be able to draw. Okay, so this is what is your learning outcome that you should achieve. You should know the formula for analog output voltage, and you should know these characteristics of R2R ladder digital to analog converter, and at the same time you should be able to compare the binary weighted digital to analog converter with that of R2R ladder digital to analog converter. So R2R ladder is better as compared to binary weighted, because in case of R2R ladder, we require only 2 values of resistor. And therefore, you can increase the number of input bits. And if we increase the number of input bits, obviously the resolution of the circuit is going to increase. Okay, so this is what is the advantage of R2R ladder network digital to analog converter over the binary weighted digital to analog converter. Okay, so you have to remember this, and these things are very important as far as your examination is concerned, and you should be able to solve the examples. So here also we are going to solve examples. Okay, so now let us move towards the example. Okay, so what you can observe here? Can anybody read? What is given in the example? Read out please loudly, anybody? Yes, students. कोण वाचणार? चला तेजस वाचा. एक्झाम्पल वाचा. फटकन वाचा. आहे का तेजस झोपला?
आहे मॅम.
हा मग वाच ना, किती वेळ होतोय?
5-bit R2R ladder network with 0 is equal to 0 volt and 1 minus 10 volt. Find.
नाही, 1 इक्वल टू
First
येते.
analog
खालचं
output due
जरासं
to
हे झालंय ब्लर. ओके, 1 इक्वल
1
टू
equal to 10 volt. Find. First analog output due to LSB change. Second, full scale output voltage. Third, analog output for digital input 11000.
ओके, 1 1 3 वेळा 0. ओके, म्हणजे 5 बिटच एक्झाम्पल इथे तुम्हाला सांगितलेलं आहे. हे ह्याचा एक्झाम्पलचा स्क्रीनशॉट घ्या बरं सगळ्यांनी. घेतला?
घेतला.
ओके, नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व द एक्झाम्पल. ओके, सगळं लक्षात ठेवा बरं का, आणि मला सांगता आलं पाहिजे तुम्हाला. मी विचारणार आता. Okay, so we are going to solve the example. First, what you have to write? First, what you have to write? You have to write the given things, isn't it? So what are the given things? Can anybody tell me? Zero equal to 0 volt and 1 equal to किती होता?
10 volt.
10 volt.
10 volt.
Okay. आणि number of input bits किती आहेत?
5 bit.
5 bit, म्हणजे n is equal to 5. So this is a given data to you. Okay. Now, what we are going to find? So you have to write to find. So what you are going to find? First, you must find what? Tell me.
Analog output due to LSB change.
Okay. Let us write it in a short form. VALSB, analog output due to 1 LSB change. This is equal to question mark. Okay. Then second.
Full scale output voltage.
Full scale output voltage. We are going to indicate it by VAFS. And how much is that VAFS? That is what we are going to find out. Okay. And what will be the third thing?
Analog output for digital input 11000.
Okay. So VA D and that is equal to question mark for the given data 11100. Okay, when input is this. So these three things we are going to find. Now after this, what we have to write? What will be the next step? Can anybody tell me? What will be the next step? काय लिहिलं पाहिजे आता?
VA formula.
Formula. बरोबर आहे. So you have to write the formula. Okay, let us write the formula for 5-bit digital to analog converter using R2R network. Okay, so what will be that formula? VA is equal to the first term will be V0 into 2 raised to 0 plus V1 into 2 raised to 1 plus V2 into 2 raised to 2 plus V3 into 2 raised to 3. किती बिट्स झाले हे? किती बिट्स झाले? 4 झाले. 1 2 3 4 म्हणजे अजून एक लागणार आपल्याला. 5 बिट आहेत. V4 into 2 raised to 4. n तुमचा 5 आहे म्हणजे इथे n-1 म्हणजे 4 असणार आहे. ओके, and this whole divided by 2 raised to 5 minus 1 minus 1. Okay, now first let's
-1 नाही आहे ना ह्याच्यात?
हा सॉरी, खरंच बरोबर आहे. गुड. 2 raised to 5 येणार फक्त. करेक्ट. आता आपल्याला काय करायचंय? VALSB काढायचंय. We want to find VALSB. So in order to find VALSB, what you have to do is you have to make only LSB bit 1 and make remaining bits 0. So this is your LSB bit and this is your MSB bit. Always remember this. Okay, so this LSB bit will be 1 and all remaining bits will be 0, 0, 0 and 0. Okay, now go on writing each weightage. Okay, as LSB is 1, your V0 will be equal to 10 volt. Okay, so this will be 10 multiplied by 2 raised to 0 plus here as this bit is 0, V1 will be 0. So 0 into 2 raised to 1 plus again 0 into 2 raised to 2. Again 0 into 2 raised to 3. Again 0 into 2 raised to 4. Okay. Whole of this divided by 2 raised to 5. So what is the value of 2 raised to 5?
32.
32. Okay. Now let us solve this. Value of 2 raised to 0 is 1. So 1 into 10 is 10. Okay. 0 into 2 raised to 1 is 0. 0 into 2 raised to 2 is 0. 0 into 2 raised to 3 is 0. 0 into 2 raised to 4 is also 0. Okay. And whole of this divided by 32. So this will be equal to 10 divided by 32. किती येतं मला सांगा calculate करून.
0.3125. 0.3125. अच्छा.
एवढं मोठं
1 to 5 मॅम.
अच्छा 3 1 to 5. Volt, give unit. So this is what is 1 LSB value, and this is also the resolution of your digital to analog converter. Always remember this. This is a resolution. Okay. Now take a screenshot of this. यात काही कुणाला समजलं नसेल तर विचारा मला. पण सोपं आहे हे, आणि हे परीक्षेत आलं तर ह्याचे मार्क हक्काचे आहेत. फक्त ते -1 कुठं करायचं आणि -1 कुठं नाही करायचं हे लक्षात राहिलं पाहिजे, नाहीतर आन्सर चुकतात.
ते का नाही घेतलं मॅम?
काय
-1?
कुठं -1? इथे -1 नाहीच आहे त्या
2 raised to
फॉर्म्युला
5
मध्ये.
मायनस
या फॉर्म्युला मध्ये
फॉर्म्युला मध्ये
-1
असतं.
नाहीच आहे. R2R लॅडर साठी -1 नाहीच आहे, तेच सांगते मी तुम्हाला. R2R लॅडर साठी
Okay.
-1 नाहीच आहे, आणि बायनरी वेटेड साठी -1 आहे. त्या दोन्हीच्या फॉर्म्युला मध्ये हा फरक आहे. दोन्ही सर्किट डिझाईन वेगळे आहेत. ओके, आपल्याला त्याचं डेरिव्हेशन नाहीये, त्यामुळे लक्षात ठेवा फक्त की -1 हे बायनरी वेटेड मध्ये आहे आणि R2R लॅडर मध्ये -1 नाहीये. ओके
ओके.
हा, आणि ह्याचा स्क्रीनशॉट घेतला का?
हो मॅम.
हा, आता आपण काय करूया, पुढचा जो पॉइंट आहे तो सॉल्व्ह करू. मी हे फक्त पुसून टाकते एवढं. तर हे पण आपल्याला पुसावं लागेल. ओके, आता दुसरं काय काढायचं आपल्याला सांगा बरं. व्हॉट वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट. दिस वन, full scale output voltage, VAFS. Okay, so what is full scale output voltage? It is the output voltage when all input bits are 1. You remember this. Full scale output voltage is the output voltage when all input bits are 1. That means all bits should be equal to 1. This is 1, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1. Okay, so let us solve this. Okay, as this bit is 1, you can write it as 10 into 2 raised to 0 plus 10 into 2 raised to 1 plus 10 into 2 raised to 2 plus 10 into 2 raised to 3 plus 10 into 2 raised to 4. Okay. Now all this divided by 32. Now we can take 10 into common and let us see what remains inside. If you take 10 into common into bracket, 2 raised to 0 is 1, 2 raised to 1 is 2, 2 raised to 2 is 4, 2 raised to 3 is 8, 2 raised to 4 is 16. Okay. And this divided by 32. Now this sum comes out to be 31, isn't it? We have already seen. 16 plus 4 is 20, 20 plus 8 is 28, 28 plus 2 is 30, and 30 plus 1 is 31. So this comes out to be 10 into 31 divided by 32. याचा आन्सर किती येतं मला कॅल्क्युलेट करून सांगा. काय येतं आन्सर याचं?
9.6875.
करेक्ट, बरोबर आहे. 9.6875 व्होल्ट. युनिट लिहायला विसरू नका. म्हणजे तुमचं फुल स्केल व्होल्टेज हे बायनरी वेटेड मध्ये 10 व्होल्ट येत होतं, पण इथे काय येत आहे 9.6875. इट इज 1 LSB लेस as compared to the maximum voltage. Okay, so take a screenshot of this. फुल स्केल व्होल्टेज काढत असताना सगळे बीट 1 करायचे, किती का बीट असे ना हे लक्षात ठेवा. 1 LSB चेंज आउटपुट काढायचा असेल तेव्हा फक्त LSB 1 करायचा, बाकी सगळे 0. ओके, बर, स्क्रीनशॉट काढला.
हो मॅम.
हा, आता आपल्याला काय करायचंय, पुढचा पॉइंट करायचंय. बरोबर आहे. काय आपला पुढचा पॉइंट, थर्ड पॉइंट, find the analog output voltage when digital input is 11,100. म्हणजे असं कोणतंही डिजिटल इनपुट दिलं तर तुम्हाला काय करता आलं पाहिजे, आउटपुट काढता आलं पाहिजे. ओके, ते आधी इथे लिहून घ्यायचं डिजिटल इनपुट. ओके, कारण तुम्हाला मी सांगितलंय की MSB आणि LSB मध्ये मुलांची नेहमी गफलत होते आणि मग तिथे काय होऊ शकतं, तिथे चुका होतात. कळलं का? तर इथे MSB तुमचा काय आहे, 1 आहे, आणि LSB काय आहे, 0 आहे. मग काय करणार तुम्ही, LSB च इथे 0 लिहिणार, त्याच्या पुढचं बीट पण 0 लिहिणार, त्याच्या पुढचं बीट पण 0 लिहिणार, त्याच्या पुढचं बीट आहे 1, आणि मग MSB आहे 1. म्हणजे इथे डेटा फ्लिप झाला बघा तुमचा. इथे दिसताना 11,000 दिसतोय, पण ह्या फॉर्म्युला मध्ये टाकताना 00011 टाकला पाहिजे. ओके, कारण त्याचे MSB आणि LSB असे जरा उलट्या प्रकारे या फॉर्म्युला मध्ये लिहिलेले आहेत. ओके, हे आलं लक्षात? आलं का लक्षात?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, याला काय नाव दिलेलं आपण, VAD. ओके, your VAD will be equal to, now this is 0 and therefore this will be 0 into 2 raised to 0. Again the second bit is also 0, so it will be 0 into 2 raised to 1. Again third bit is also 0, so it will be 0 into 2 raised to 2. Okay, now the fourth bit is 1 and therefore V3 will be 10. 10 into, because logic 1 is 10 volt, that is what is given here, 10 into 2 raised to 3. Okay, again V4 is also 1, that means it will be 10. 10 into 2 raised to 4. So let us divide it by 2 raised to 5, and value of 2 raised to 5 is 32. Okay, now let us simplify it. 0 into 2 raised to 0 is 0. Again second term will also be 0. Again third term will also be 0. Okay, plus 10 into 8 plus 10 into 16, and this whole divided by 32. ओके, आता इथे काय होईल बघा, 0चं काही कन्सिडरच होणार नाही. ओके, सो व्हॉट वी विल डू, वी विल टेक 10 कॉमन हियर and into bracket what remains is 8 plus 16 divided by 32. What is the value of 8 plus 16? Can anybody tell me?
24.
24. So 10 into 24 divided by 32. Calculate this, how much it comes out to be, and tell me the value.
7.5.
7.5. It is exactly 7.5 volt. The point A, 7.5 volt. So when your input is 11100, the analog output that we are getting here is 7.5 volt. Okay. So take a screenshot of this. Have you taken a screenshot?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, one example I will give you for homework. Okay. So I will dictate the example. You write it down. Find the output voltage. Find the output voltage from 5-bit R2R ladder DAC that has a digital input 1 0 1 0 and 1 म्हणजे 2 वेळा 1 0 1 0 आणि मग शेवटी 1 5 बिट आहेत 1 0 1 0 1 full stop. Assume that 0 is equal to 0 volt. 0 is equal to 0 volt. And 1 is equal to plus 10 volt. 1 is equal to plus 10 volt. ओके. आता हे उद्याला सॉल्व करून आणायचं आणि मला त्याचा आन्सर सांगायचं. ओके. सो I will clear this and one second I will share. And on the screen what you can observe? Some pictures you can observe.